Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shehab Uddin Rahim and I'm an ICT teacher at Tathal, Bangladesh. So in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing website which can help you to change image backgrounds. So without any talking, let's get started. At first, we will go to Google Chrome browser. Then search remove.bg. Then click on this website. After that, it will take to this page. Click on upload image. Then choose a photo. Okay, I choose this photo. Then click on background. Then choose a background. Which background do you want? Okay, this one looks perfect. Then click on download. Click on preview. And boom, our image. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.